Now, what happens with my taxes? Do I pay taxes, or does it depend on the length of time? Do I pay my taxes there where I'm staying, or do I pay my taxes in a country that I receive my income? How does that work? I know it's a very generic question, very simple, but maybe it's not a simple answer. But yeah, what do you think?
So I guess to answer your question specifically, it really depends. I put people in three buckets. There are those that are US exposed as a result of being US citizens, residents, green card holders, or those that may have triggered substantial presence by spending a lot of time in the US. There are those from Europe, and in Europe, I'm going to, include Britain, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. And then there's the rest of the world, right?
Okay.
So I'll start with the first bucket. In terms of those who are from the US or US exposed, and including those, because we had a lot of clients that were trapped in the US during COVID. They didn't intend to stay that long, but they did. And they became US tax residents as a result of triggering substantial presence, right? You're going to be taxed on your worldwide income, regardless of where you go. So even if you're in Bali, wherever you go, you still need to file and pay tax returns. So there's no difference between Portugal and Pittsburgh from the IRS's perspective. But with some planning, they can take advantage of certain deductions and exclusions to make them better off. The second bucket would be your Europeans. And again, I'm including Brits, Aussies, Kiwis. They can sever tax residents by just simply not being in their country. So jump on a plane, go to Bali, for example. But most of these countries have a days test as well as a center of life test or center of economic activity test. So even though you may be based in Bali, if it is that you still have substantial ties to the UK or to France or to whatever, then you may deem the throwback rules apply and you may still be tax resident there. So generally speaking, one has to be very careful to do the right things to sever ties. And then the third bucket will be the rest of the world. And all they need to do is jump on a plane and leave, and they should be fine. So those generally speaking, how it works. Yeah.
Okay, that's from tax perspective. Oh, thank you. I thought it would be much more complicated to answer this question.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.